Welcome. I am Lisa with Ability Business, and today I want to share with you how Ability EBT Calculator works with QuickBooks Point of Sale. If you are a grocery store or a meat market or a cheese store or a produce farm or a specialty market that accepts EBT benefits at your establishment, then Ability EBT Calculator will help you streamline your workflow, speed up your checkout lines, and reduce errors at point of sale. Our app adds a subtotal for EBT and non-EBT in the comments field of the Make a Sale screen, allowing you to have a mixed basket approach where your employees do not have to stop and think, is this EBT eligible? Is it not? I don't know. Let me take a moment to look it up. Then give this app a try. So my items are all set up, so I'm going to jump over to the Make a Sale screen. I'm going to add my milk. I'm going to add my cereal. I'm going to get some chicken today and some soda. So as you noticed, while I was ringing those items, in the comments field, we're telling automatically the amount due for EBT items and the amount due for non-EBT items. Once we have that subtotal, we're going to authorize the card, the EBT benefit card or WIC or SNAP, on the third-party machine. Ability Business doesn't provide EBT machines. You work with the government or your bank to acquire that device. So $12.24 is my EBT amount, so I'm going to authorize that amount. Once it's approved, I'm going to select check payment type at point of sale. I'm going to write $12.24 into the amount, and I'm going to identify it with EBT. I'm going to save that. Over here in the lower right, we can see check number EBT 1224. Now the cashier can say 212 is the remainder. Now I can accept it via cash or credit or debit. I'm going to accept cash and I'm going to save. And then I'm going to save and print and I'm going to move on. That's how easy it is for your employees once everything is installed and set up. Then what I'm going to suggest is that at the end of the day, for your reporting, I'm going to suggest that you run your Zout store close. Let me go ahead and run that. And at the bottom, let me increase the percentage just a little bit. At the bottom, you're going to see a running total here of EBT and any other checks that you may be accepted. That way, that gives you the total that should match your EBT machine. Today's sales is $105.16. The other report that I'm going to suggest that you do run and memorize is the list of checks report in point of sale. I already have mine memorized. I'm going to head over to the report center and select EBT payments. And if you accept other checks as well as normal checks, then you can sort by check and get that subtotal. So $105.16 is what I'm expecting over in my QuickBooks software. So once point of sale syncs with QuickBooks financial software, you're going to find these payments in your undeposited funds. And then you have two options. One, keep them there until you're funded, just like your other Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or Discover, or 2, create a clearing account and move those payments there until you're funded. Go ahead and check with your accountant, though, and make sure you develop a workflow so that you can track your EBT monies that came in and then your funding. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video, and if you have any other questions, go ahead and give us a call or stop by our website, www.abilitybusiness.com, and have a great afternoon.